There's going to be no gatekeeping here. I'm going to give you all my pattern sizes, tell you how much I've made, all of it. Hello, welcome back. Or welcome if you've not been here before. I'm Emma and I'm wearing pyjamas. Yes, because we always wear pyjamas here. Life is better when you're wearing pyjamas. So what am I doing? I'm starting a business, a small business, a mini business, tiny little business. So I used to sell before, but I got totally overwhelmed with the amount of orders I was getting and life got in the way. And so I just put my shop in holiday mode and I've not been back to it since. So this time I'm going to keep it small and manageable. I'm only going to sell what I've already made. So when I can batch sew, I'm going to batch sew. And when I can't, I'm not going to, so I don't burn out. So I batch sew because it calms my mind. But then I end up with this giant pile of stuff that I don't know what to do with, because I give a lot away to friends and family, but there's only so much you can like give away to people. So I decided I'm going to start selling it again. I used to have a shop before. It sold very different things I can't show you on here because they have rude words on, and I did really well with that. Hopefully I'm going to earn enough money to sustain my craft habit, because we all like pretty fabrics. And I also batch sew and sew things for homeless people, and me and my friend fill them with essential hygiene products. She takes them to homeless charities to give to them. I can't remember the names of them now. So hopefully I'm going to earn enough to fund that and fund my craft habit, and hopefully a little bit on the side. So where am I selling? So I've updated my website. If you want to see, do you want to see my website? Let's try and show you my website. So this is my website. I don't know if you can see that. If you can't see it, I'll put a screenshot in. And it links to my YouTube videos. It's got shopping and it's also got make your own gifts. And it links to some of the things I've sewn. It goes to my Etsy shop and my YouTube video, so you can all make your own. It's also got all the other places that you can find me. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. So it's only a small website right now, but it's a start. So what am I going to be selling? Let me show you. So the things I've done recently, the first thing I put on my website was these. These have had the most views up to now. And they're glasses holders. I've already got a video to this pattern, so I'll leave links to all the videos in the description below. But you just pop your glasses in and it hooks onto your landlad or your handbag. So I've made a bunch of these in different fabrics and I've added them to my Etsy store. They've got the Weird Princess label on, little Weird Princess label, and they're slightly padded. These were really quick to make, so and they've had the most views so far. So I've got high hopes for them. What else have I got? I've made some small makeup pouches, zipper pouches, makeup pouches, pencil cases. They've all got zipper tabs. I've used small zips on these, little handmade labels, and the Weird Princess label. They're all fully lined. I'm not sure if I've got a video for these yet, but if I haven't, I'll make one and we'll come back to them in the future. So I've done this one, I love this one. This is with upholstery fabric. So they're all the same, just with different types of fabric. Upholstery fabric is amazing. You don't have to use any interfacing or stabilizer on it. So it's really quick to work with. So all the insides of everything, I've used this little, you won't be able to see it on camera, but it's got like ditzy white floral fabric. And they've got little box corners. So there's those. I've got those in all different kinds of colours. My favourite things are the book sleeves or e-reader holders. I've made these. These are 8 by 10 inches. They're 8 by 10 inches. and I've added a little button to close them. But what I've noticed is if I make them an inch too bigger, then they'll also double up to put an iPad in. So I think I'm going to make them an inch taller, so they work for larger ones too. So I've made these all in different fabrics. This one's amazing. This is corduroy. I love this. It feels really nice. And everything is used with 4-ounce batting instead of 2-ounce batting, because when you use 2-ounce batting, everything's a little bit squidgy and just doesn't feel like quality. And we all like a little bit of luxury. So I've used 4-ounce batting in everything. And one of my favourite things that I've made lately are these bags. Let me move these things. One of my favourite things is these bags. This is sari fabric and it's double-sided. So the background on one of them is gold, and the background on the other side is the pink, and the same with the green ones too. So, and this 4-ounce batting really makes them hold their shape. And everything's got the Weird Princess label on. I've used the chunky zips on these ones because they're quite large. So I've used chunky zips on them. I love these chunky zips. And they fit all your full-size products in. And again, they've all got the ditzy floral liner. I'm completely in love with these. I'm half hoping they don't sell so I can keep them. Because could you ever have enough Boxy bags? I don't think so. So those are the things I've made. Put them over there. I don't have a video for these yet, but I will make the video and I'll post it and link it at some point. Ooh. The other things I'm going to add to the shop are the lanyard pen holders, which look like these. I'll link that video down because I've already got that video. So they look like these and you put your pens in them, and they're a little bit smaller. They're made the same way, so you could batch sew a whole bunch of these and a whole bunch of them completely in the same way, just with different size fabrics. I think some maybe puffy coasters. I'll link that video. I've got all my packaging. Let me show you my packaging. Of course I went for pink. And this is amazing. I wanted personalised thank you cards, but that started getting crazy money, crazy. So I got these little normal thank you cards, and I got this. And you just do that. Look. Of course I went for pink mailers. I got them in a whole bunch of different sizes just to make sure. So these were really cheap on Amazon. And I got some tissue paper. I should have gone for pink. I don't know why I didn't. Yep. And to go in every order, I've started making these little lavender pouches. And I've got some lavender drying. And I'm going to pop one on each order as a little thank you gift with a ribbon on. So that's how far I've got. So I'll still be posting on my regular videos, but I thought I'll give you updates on how it's going, what I've sold and how much I've made. I don't know how often I'll do that. I'm not expecting to sell a whole load of stuff right now because we're in the middle of July, but come September, October, November and December, things will pick up. They always pick up then. Whether you work in a real shop or an online shop, things always pick up in the last 3-4 months of the year. So I'll give you sales updates, how much I've made and how much things have cost. Etsy fees, they're crazy. So I am hoping to work up to a Shopify, but we'll see how it goes. There's going to be no gatekeeping here. I'm going to give you all my pattern sizes, tell you how much I've made, all of it. So if you're interested in sewing to sell, hit the subscribe thing button. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. It's completely free. So I'll link all the products down below that I've already made videos for, and things that I am going to upload to my shop. All the other things that I haven't already done, I will make videos for, like these and those. I'll make videos for them and I'll put everything in a sew to sell playlist and let you know how much I've made, how many things I've sold, and we'll do a whole sales report every couple of months or so, maybe. Every month, maybe 2 months, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Okay, stay weird. Thanks for watching and have a fabulous day.